this is Khushi Chauhan and you're watching Pacific One News. The news web leader, your exposure to the world. In what promises to be a high-stakes electoral showdown, Kanhaiya Kumar, the fire band leader from the northern part of India, is set to contest against Manoj Tiwari, the incumbent BJP member of parliament from the Northeast Delhi constituency. Northeast Delhi constituency, with its densely populated demographics, holds the distinction of being the most populous among the 7 Lok Sabha seats in Delhi. Manoj Tiwari, a two-time member of parliament from this constituency, stands as a formidable force, as evidenced by the BJP's repeated bet on him as their candidate. This underlines Tiwari's significant political clout in Delhi, where the BJP has pinned its hope on him yet again amidst tough competition. On the other side of the political spectrum, Kanhaiya Kumar, the former president of the Jawaharlal Nehru University Students' Union, emerges as a prominent voice representing the interest of the marginalized sections of society. His oratory skills and grassroots connect have earned him the Congress ticket for this crucial electoral battle. Notably, both candidates hail from the region of Purvanchal in Bihar, adding an interesting dimension to the electoral contest. The Northeast Delhi constituency witnessed its first Lok Sabha election in 2009, following the recommendation of the Delimitation Commission in 2002. In the previous elections, the Congress emerged victorious, but this time the political landscape appears to be shifting. With a significant Purvanchali population, the electorate's decision will hinge on which candidate they trust to address their concerns and aspirations. Manoj Tiwari, known for his dual identity as a Bhojpuri superstar and a political figure, enjoys considerable popularity among the masses. However, his tenure has not been devoid of controversies, including the anti-national label attributed to him in the aftermath of certain statements. Conversely, Kanhaiya Kumar, who rose to prominence as a left leader, has been embroiled in various controversies but remains as a vocal advocate for the rights of the downtrodden. The Northeast Delhi Lok Sabha constituency comprises 10 Vidhan Sabha segments, with a significant proportion of the population belonging to the scheduled castes. With a population of over 2.2 million people, this constituency holds sway over the political dynamics of Delhi. As the political battleground heats up, all eyes are on the electoral duel between Manoj Tiwari and Kanhaiya Kumar, which is not merely a contest between two individuals, but also a reflection of the socio-political aspirations of the people of Northeast Delhi. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.
Pacific One News, the news web leader, your exposure to the world.